with you. Next song you have sent for the
Yeah.
recently you released the track,
Yeah.
and in the description also you had mentioned, I think, that it needs to be felt.
Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah.
I felt it. Even people felt it. The response was quite good. What was the inspiration behind that?
Inspiration was my heartbreak.
नाका रे शी कितें रे आनी कितें म्हणटलो आसूं लेट्स विश अ वेल फुडलें सांग
Yeah. So it's been a while since I had broken up, and like can I add another, there's a feelings and stuff. So it's good actually. I came up with a nice song from it, so I'm happy about it. So rati, like it was around 12 ke dalle. I'm like, okay. I heard something. I'm like, okay, super sad now, all sad. And I was like, okay, let's pick up my guitar and then maybe I can come up with something. And instantly, within half an hour time, I finished that song. When emotions are involved in it, like
this I can agree.
time was not.
Some days you can sit for hours and you cannot even write one line.
Yeah.
When the emotional overwhelming ना जातात.
Yeah.
आणि म्हाका सांग आता हे तुवें ब्रेकअप जावन
Hmm.
आणि ती पयलीची आसली शी कॉल्ड मी ऑन द क्रिसमस and that was a romantic, so तेन्ना ते जाल्लो तेंगे येस म्हटलेले
ना त्याने ब्रेकअप फेजूच आलो तो.
अरे मग केन्ना ग्लोरी केस केन्ना आसले
ग्लोरी केस हो ना केन्ना.
अरे all the single ladies now listen, this fellow is saying that he never felt the warmth of love. But yaad dora, if you watching this, if you want to know more about Peferd, he is there on all platforms, Spotify, anything. Listen to his tracks.